In this video, I will show you how to change the decimal separator in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, click on File, Options. Here guys, you will see the option Use System Separators. So unselect it. Now in decimal separator, make comma, thousands separator, make full stop. Then click on OK. Now rewrite your number. So we can see now that separator numbers are changed. So this is the way you can change the decimal separator in Excel. You want to change this rule. So again click on File, Options, Advanced, and you will see Use System Separator. So decimal separator, like you want to set comma, a full stop, and thousands separator you want to use as comma. So select it. Now click on OK. So now we can see now these rules. So now we can see this rules is changed. So now we can see this rule is changed. So this is the way you can change the decimal separator in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.